Welcome back to AS Motorzone. This car is not just a motorhome. This car is luxury on wheels, comfort on the road, and a bold vision of how people will travel in the future. Today, I am bringing you a full detailed review of a Cadillac Motorhome, and in this video, I will explain everything about its exterior design, interior comfort, performance, engine, mileage, driving experience, safety, technology, and price. This is my own concept style, and in the future, vehicles like this motorhome may become a reality. So let's begin this complete and exciting journey with the Cadillac Motorhome. When you first see the Cadillac Motorhome, the exterior design immediately gives a feeling of power, elegance, and premium class. Cadillac is known for luxury and bold styling, and this motorhome carries that same DNA in a much larger and more futuristic form. The front side features the iconic Cadillac logo placed proudly in the center of the grille, giving it a strong and confident identity. The headlights are sharp LED units with modern styling that looks aggressive and elegant at the same time. These lights are designed not only for beauty, but also for safety, providing excellent visibility at night and in foggy conditions. The body shape is smooth and aerodynamic, not boxy like traditional RVs. It looks like a combination of a luxury SUV and a futuristic travel vehicle. The side profile is long, wide, and tall, giving it a massive road presence that makes people stop and look when it passes by. The black tinted windows add privacy and also make the motorhome look more stylish and expensive. The paint finish is a mix of matte and soft reflection, so the body lines and patterns are clearly visible without being disturbed by strong glare. This makes the Cadillac Motorhome look muscular and modern, especially when parked in a luxury showroom or under bright sunlight. The wheels are large and strong, designed for highway cruising and off-road adventures. Some versions can even come with multiple heavy-duty tires for desert or rough terrain driving. From the backside, the design remains clean and premium, with modern LED taillights and the Cadillac logo again, just like real luxury cars. The rear design is simple but powerful, showing that Cadillac focused on both beauty and function. Now let's step inside the interior, which feels like entering a luxury apartment on wheels. As soon as you walk inside the Cadillac Motorhome, you feel comfort, space, and premium quality. The materials used inside are high-end, including soft leather seats, wooden or carbon-style panels, and ambient LED lighting. The color theme is calm and relaxing, making long journeys comfortable and stress-free. The living area is designed to be open and welcoming, with comfortable sofa seating that can easily be converted into a sleeping bed. The windows are large, allowing natural light to come in and making the interior feel bright and fresh. The floor is made with anti-slip premium material that is easy to clean and safe to walk on. The ceiling has soft LED lights that can change brightness according to mood, creating a warm and peaceful environment at night. The interior layout is smartly designed so that every inch of space is used efficiently. The kitchen area is compact but very advanced. It includes a modern stove, microwave, sink with clean water system, refrigerator, and multiple storage cabinets. This kitchen allows you to cook your own meals while traveling, which saves money and gives you the feeling of home. The cabinets are designed in a way that they remain stable while driving. The countertop looks premium and easy to clean, making daily use simple and practical. The sleeping area is designed for maximum comfort in a small space. There is a soft bed that can easily accommodate 2 adults. Some models also include foldable sleeping sections for children or guests. The sleeping area has its own reading lights, charging ports, and small windows for ventilation. This makes sleeping inside the Cadillac Motorhome feel like sleeping in a hotel room, but with the freedom of being on the road. The toilet and shower area is small but very luxurious for a motorhome. It includes a toilet, compact shower, mirror, and storage for toiletries. Hot and cold water systems make it usable in all seasons. This feature is very important for long trips because you don't need to depend on public restrooms. You can stay clean and comfortable anywhere you travel. Storage space is another strong point of the Cadillac Motorhome. There are cabinets above the seats, under the bed, and in different corners of the vehicle. You can store clothes, food, tools, and travel accessories easily. Some versions also include external storage compartments for luggage and camping equipment. The interior design makes the space feel bigger than it actually is, which is very important in a motorhome. Now let's talk about performance and driving experience. The Cadillac Motorhome is built on a strong and reliable chassis, which means it is stable, durable, and powerful. The engine is usually a diesel or hybrid powertrain that delivers strong torque and smooth acceleration. This motorhome is not designed for speed racing, but it is perfect for highway cruising and long-distance journeys. Driving this motorhome feels confident and safe. The steering is light and easy to control despite the vehicle's large size. On highways, it feels stable and smooth, and on mountain or desert routes, it shows good balance and control. The suspension system absorbs road bumps and keeps the ride comfortable for passengers. Even on uneven roads, the cabin remains quiet and relaxing. Fuel efficiency is also an important factor. Compared to other luxury motorhomes, the Cadillac Motorhome offers decent mileage thanks to advanced engine technology. It may not be as fuel efficient as a small car, but for a motorhome of this size, it provides good fuel economy. This makes it suitable for long road trips without spending too much money on fuel. Now let's talk about safety features. Cadillac is known for advanced safety technology, and this motorhome also includes many safety systems. It comes with airbags, ABS brakes, traction control, and stability control. The driver's cabin is designed for safety and comfort in mind, offering good visibility and easy access to controls. Some models also include rear-view cameras, parking sensors, lane assist, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot monitoring. These features help the driver drive safely on highways and in cities. The strong body structure gives protection in case of accidents, making this motorhome a safe choice for families and travelers. Now let's look at technology and entertainment features. The Cadillac Motorhome includes a modern infotainment system with a large touchscreen display. It supports navigation, Bluetooth, music streaming, and phone connectivity. High-quality speakers are installed inside the living area for entertainment. USB ports and power outlets are available for charging phones, laptops, and cameras. Air conditioning and heating systems keep the interior comfortable in all weather. Some models also include solar panels on the roof to support electrical needs and reduce fuel usage. This makes the motorhome more eco-friendly and independent. Now let's talk about comfort and lifestyle. The Cadillac Motorhome is designed for people who love luxury travel and adventure at the same time. You can travel across states, park near beaches, forests, deserts, or lakes, and live comfortably inside your motorhome. You don't need hotels or restaurants because you have your own bedroom and kitchen. This gives you freedom and independence. You wake up in a new place every day, and your home moves with you. This lifestyle is becoming more popular among travelers, vloggers, and families who love exploring new places. Now let's discuss the price and value. The price of a Cadillac Motorhome depends on the model, size, and features. Because it is a luxury motorhome, it is more expensive than basic RVs. However, you get premium quality, advanced safety, modern technology, and long-lasting performance. It is an investment in comfort and lifestyle. Even used Cadillac motorhomes hold good value because of the brand's reputation for luxury and engineering. Maintenance may be higher than normal vehicles, but the comfort and reliability make it worth the price. Maintenance is very important for any motorhome. The Cadillac Motorhome requires regular servicing, oil changes, brake checks, and tire inspections. With proper care, it can last many years. The interior materials are designed to handle daily use and long journeys. Spare parts and service centers are available in many regions, making ownership easier and more reliable. So, overall, the Cadillac Motorhome is a complete package. It has a strong and stylish exterior, a luxurious and comfortable interior, reliable performance, good fuel efficiency for its size, advanced safety features, and modern technology. It gives you freedom, comfort, and confidence on the road. It is not just a motorhome, it is a dream vehicle for people who want to live life on the road in style. I hope you enjoyed this detailed review in my own style. This is my own concept style, and in the future, vehicles like this motorhome may become a reality. And I will keep bringing you more unique and detailed car and motorhome reviews like this. If you like this video, share it with your friends and support the channel for more amazing content. Subscribe to AS Motorzone.